The very blueprint of your existence, your DNA, is under constant siege every single day, and your deepest sleep isn't just resting you, it's actively triggering a sophisticated cellular-level repair crew that meticulously mends those genetic scars, rebuilding the future of your cells while you dream. This isn't some passive recovery, it's a nightly, orchestrated intervention safeguarding your cellular destiny. Do you ever stop to consider the relentless silent battle your body wages to keep you young at a molecular level? What if the most powerful weapon in that fight was already at your command? Today, we're going to dive headfirst into the profound, undeniable connection between your hours of deep, restorative sleep and the stability of your cellular instruction manual, your precious DNA. You'll uncover how deep sleep is not merely a break for your mind, but an indispensable active period of genetic maintenance, specifically designed to counter the relentless tide of age-accelerating damage that accumulates inside every single one of your trillions of cells. By the end of this journey, you'll grasp precisely why the quality of your sleep directly impacts your biological age and never look at your bedtime the same way again. Imagine your DNA, that elegant double helix coiled within every cell, as the master architect's complete set of blueprints for a magnificent, complex city, your body. Every protein, every enzyme, every cellular function, meticulously detailed across billions of base pairs. Now, picture that city operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Traffic fumes, construction dust, environmental stresses, even the very act of building new structures within the city itself, they all cause tiny, cumulative damage to those irreplaceable blueprints. A smudge here, a tear there, a page inadvertently flipped upside down. This isn't theoretical, this is your everyday reality. From the ultraviolet rays of the sun gently touching your skin, to the metabolic byproducts generated simply by breathing and thinking, to the stress of a challenging workday, your DNA is bombarded by an estimated tens of thousands of damaging events per cell every single day. These are not minor scratches. These events range from single base pair modifications, like a misplaced comma in a crucial instruction, to more catastrophic double-strand breaks, akin to a vital section of the blueprint being ripped clean in half. If left unchecked, these accumulating errors lead to cellular dysfunction, impaired regeneration, and ultimately accelerate the hallmarks of biological aging that we all experience. Your body, in its incredible wisdom, possesses an elaborate team of cellular proofreaders and repair crews. These mechanisms, like nucleotide excision repair or base excision repair, work diligently during your waking hours, constantly scanning, identifying, and attempting to fix these genomic errors. They're like diligent librarians, meticulously reshelving misplaced books, or skilled restorers, patching tears in ancient manuscripts. But here's the critical insight. This daily onslaught often overwhelms the daytime repair systems. They are always playing catch-up, always trying to stay ahead of the next wave of damage. Research published by Hoymakers and colleagues in Nature Reviews Molecular Cell Biology in 2001, for example, extensively detailed the multifaceted nature of DNA damage and the intricate, diverse array of repair pathways required to maintain genomic integrity. This seminal work highlighted that while our cells possess impressive repair capabilities, these systems are not infallible, and their efficiency can decline with age or under persistent stress. The daily grind pushes your cellular infrastructure to its limits. It's like having a tireless sanitation crew that only has a limited number of hours to clean a sprawling metropolis. They can keep up with the daily refuse, perhaps even address some minor spills, but what about the deep, structural issues, the fundamental damage that requires specialized equipment and focused attention? That's where the profound, almost magical role of deep sleep enters the picture. The daytime repair mechanisms are akin to routine maintenance. What happens when the underlying foundations themselves need shoring up? This constant, low-level war against DNA damage is a fundamental driver of aging. When your DNA gets damaged, it can lead to mutations. These mutations, in turn, can cause cells to malfunction, to behave erratically, or even to lose their ability to divide and regenerate properly. Think of it as the gradual degradation of a meticulously crafted piece of machinery. One tiny worn gear leads to another, slowly compromising the entire system. Without a dedicated, powerful intervention, this degradation is inevitable, and that intervention is far more profound than you might have ever imagined. But here is the truly astonishing revelation. Your body doesn't just passively rest during deep sleep, it activates an entirely different, highly specialized repair protocol. This isn't just more of the same maintenance from your waking hours. This is the equivalent of the city's lead structural engineers and master architects finally getting uninterrupted access to those damaged blueprints, not just to patch them, but to rebuild, reinforce, and completely restore crucial sections. During the slow-wave sleep stages, that profound restorative period of deep sleep, your brain dramatically increases the clearance of metabolic waste products, a process often referred to as the glymphatic system. This is a major cleanup operation, sweeping away toxins and inflammatory molecules that contribute to cellular stress. But beyond this critical housekeeping, deep sleep uniquely facilitates direct, robust DNA repair, particularly of the most severe kind, double-strand breaks. Why does this happen specifically during deep sleep? Because your brain's activity patterns shift. Neuronal firing, the electrical chatter of your brain cells, becomes more synchronous and slower. This orchestrated slowdown, paradoxically, creates the optimal environment for repair enzymes to operate with unparalleled precision and efficiency. It's like the bustling city finally quieting down, allowing the specialist technicians to enter and perform delicate, high-stakes repairs without interruption or distraction. It's a biological pause, a molecular silence, allowing the most intricate work to unfold. Consider the groundbreaking work by Dr. Lior Appelbaum and his team at Bar-Ilan University, published in Nature Communications in 2019. Their research, utilizing zebrafish as a model, elegantly demonstrated that during sleep, there's a significant increase in chromosome dynamics and repair of DNA double-strand breaks in individual neurons. They observed that the increased chromosome movement, a process essential for efficient DNA repair, peaked during sleep stages where brain activity was lowest. This provides compelling evidence that sleep isn't just restorative for cognitive function, it's a dedicated window for repairing the physical integrity of the genome itself. Before understanding this, you might have viewed sleep as a luxury, a passive downtime that you could sacrifice without severe consequences. Perhaps you thought a short night here or there was just about feeling tired the next day. Now, you grasp the profound truth. Every hour of compromised deep sleep means a direct and measurable increase in unrepaired DNA damage within your most vital cells. It means your cellular blueprints are accumulating more errors, silently accelerating the trajectory of your biological aging. This is a scientific reframe that turns the common assumption about aging upside down. You aren't just getting older, your cells are getting older because their instruction manual is falling apart. But conversely, prioritizing deep sleep transforms you from a passive bystander watching your cells degrade into an active participant, a guardian of your own genetic integrity. You are directly influencing the stability and longevity of your very foundation. It shifts from feeling helpless about aging to feeling empowered by a daily, tangible action. The quality of your deepest sleep directly dictates the resilience and youthfulness of your cells. It is the ultimate preventative maintenance program, running while you are completely unaware, yet profoundly effective. So, with this newfound understanding of deep sleep as your cellular DNA repair workshop, what can you actually do to optimize this essential process? Here are 3 concrete, actionable strategies, grounded in the science we've just uncovered, to maximize your deep sleep and in turn, fortify your genetic health. First, prioritize consistent darkness and cool temperatures in your sleep environment. Your body's production of melatonin, a critical hormone that signals the onset of sleep and influences sleep architecture, is exquisitely sensitive to light. Even dim ambient light can suppress its release. Aim for a completely dark room, blackout curtains, eye masks, and absolutely no blue light from screens for at least 2 hours before bed. Furthermore, a slightly cooler room temperature, typically between 60 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, helps your body initiate and sustain deep sleep. This environmental optimization directly supports your body's natural circadian rhythm, ensuring melatonin peaks at the right time, ushering you into those vital slow-wave stages where DNA repair truly thrives. You'll wake feeling more rested, yes, but more importantly, your cells will have had their optimal window for nightly rejuvenation. Secondly, integrate magnesium-rich foods or a high-quality magnesium supplement into your daily routine. Magnesium is an often overlooked mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those involved in DNA synthesis and repair. It also directly impacts neurotransmitter function, promoting relaxation and supporting healthy sleep cycles. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains are excellent sources. If supplementing, consider forms like magnesium glycinate or threonate, which are well absorbed and cross the blood-brain barrier effectively. By ensuring adequate magnesium levels, you are providing your body with a foundational cofactor for the very enzymes responsible for identifying and mending DNA damage during deep sleep, effectively boosting the efficiency of your nightly repair crews. Thirdly, establish a rigid, consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Your body thrives on predictability. Going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time every single day, including Saturdays and Sundays, powerfully reinforces your internal clock, your circadian rhythm. This regularity strengthens the synchronization between your daily activities and your body's natural sleep-wake cycles, leading to more consistent and robust deep sleep stages. When your circadian rhythm is out of sync, your body struggles to achieve the deepest, most restorative phases of sleep, those precise windows when genomic repair is maximized. By maintaining a disciplined sleep schedule, you are quite literally training your body to enter that optimal DNA repair state more reliably, allowing your cells to consistently mend themselves and resist the cumulative damage that drives aging. It's a powerful, non-negotiable act of self-preservation. You now understand something profoundly intimate about your own biology. You are not a passive recipient of aging, simply decaying with each passing year. You are an active participant in a daily molecular drama. Every night, as you drift into deep sleep, you are literally giving your body the permission and the perfect conditions to mend the very fabric of your being. You have moved beyond merely wanting to feel less tired. You now appreciate that sleep isn't just about restoring your energy, but about safeguarding the integrity of your genetic code. You hold a powerful, direct influence over the stability of your cellular blueprint, the instruction manual for your entire existence. This knowledge transforms sleep from a simple biological necessity into a conscious, proactive act of longevity, an investment in the health and vitality of every single cell that makes you, you. Embrace this truth. Your deepest sleep is a nightly, powerful ritual of genetic repair, silently yet profoundly shaping your future health. Honor this process, optimize your environment, and give your body the tools it needs to perform this vital task. Understanding the secret connection between deep sleep and DNA repair is just one piece of the incredible puzzle that is biological aging. The journey into what truly happens inside your body as it ages, and what science genuinely shows about living longer, healthier, and stronger, has only just begun. There is so much more to uncover, so many more hidden mechanisms and remarkable processes waiting to be decoded. Continue exploring with us and empower yourself with the knowledge to thrive.